It depends on the unknown and the given information. Okay, and you can only use this one if the given are side angle of the triangle or side angle. Okay, we already solved this one. But then if the given is side angle, the result will be ambiguous case. And there are 5 cases for this if you are given side angle. It depends on the given information. Okay, number 1, if angle A is acute and A, the side opposite the given angle, is lesser than the other side, then there are 3 possibilities. It could be one solution, no solution, or 2 solutions. You will have 2 solutions if your altitude, the H, taken from the SOHCAHTOA, the sine A, the sine of angle A is equal to the altitude of the triangle, the H, the line drawn perpendicular to segment AB is over B, that is your sine ratio. From the sine ratio, our H formula is B, the hypotenuse, times the sine of the angle. Okay, so for the first case, if your A is greater than the H, longer than the H, but shorter than the B, you will have 2 solutions. You will have triangle ABC or triangle AB prime C. But if your A is equal to the altitude, you only have one triangle or one solution. What will be formed is a right triangle. And if your A is lesser than the altitude or the H, there is no solution. Okay? Next, if your angle A is an acute angle, but your A, the side, okay, opposite angle A is longer than B, there will be one solution, longer or equal to B. For the obtuse angle, there are 2 possibilities. If your A is lesser than B, no solution. But if your A is greater than B, one solution. Okay, clear? Okay, last meeting we all also have discussed the different examples and even solved problems. Let's have another problem. Okay, you try this one. Number 7 and 8, I'll give you 10 minutes. Determine how many solutions exist. Draw the triangle. Okay, what's your answer for number 7? How many triangles exist? No solution, no triangle, one triangle, or 2 triangles.
2 solutions.
Okay, 2 solutions. Do you agree with Miles? 2 solutions. Okay, let's draw our triangle. so we can identify the given information. Okay, let's label our vertices. Let this be our angle x. Angle x is given to be 65 degrees. And our x, length x, the side opposite angle x is 140. And then our y, we could place our y here or here. Okay, no problem. Okay. So what are we going to compare? We're
X
going
and
to
Y.
compare the altitude. What will be our altitude here? Yeah, x and y only. Okay, x and y. First, x and y. X is lesser than or greater than y. 140 versus 150. It is
Lesser.
lesser than. So this is under case 1. So we need to find our altitude. What will be our altitude formula here? What will be our h? Okay, now give me the answer. Multiple choice. Is it 140 sine of 65 or 140, oh no, 150? Which one is the correct formula for h? 140 sine 65 or 150 sine 65? A or B?
B.
B.
Okay, letter B is correct. It should be the other side times the sine of 65. Okay? So we are going to compare x with y sine of 65 degrees. Okay, compare now. 150 sine of 65. How much is 150 sine 65 degrees? May I hear the voice of uh, Candy? How much is 150 sine 65 degrees?
136.
Candy? 136. Okay, lesser than or greater than? It is greater than. So if our x is greater than the altitude, then it has two solutions. Yes, Miles.
Sure, pwede ko mag-ask sure if unsaon nimo identify ang A ug B sure sa pagpangita sa B sin A sure if lahi na letters ang gipanghatag sure
Yeah,
aside sa NB sure.
again, compare the side opposite the given angle with the altitude. Okay? So, i-compare nimo ang side opposite the given angle with the altitude. And the altitude is the other side times the given angle. Okay? Compare the side opposite the given angle, x. Angle x1 plus to x with the altitude. And the altitude is the other side times the sine of the given angle. Clear? So you need to draw the figure if you cannot visually determine right away what you are going to compare. Okay? Okay, na sub 10, did you understand? Miles, the side opposite the given angle compared to the altitude.
Thank you sure.
Welcome. Okay, next. Okay, this one, what are you going to compare? The given angle is angle M. So what will be our nasa left side sa atong comparison? It will be M or N? The given angle is M. And the given side opposite angle M is letter M, 28. And the other side is 17. Now give me the altitude, okay? Multiple choice. Is it is it 28 sine of 30 degrees or 17 sine of 30 degrees? A or B? Which one is correct?
B.
Okay,
B.
okay, letter B, altitude, not this one. Okay, it is the other side times the sine of the given angle. So you are going to compare the 28 with the altitude, which is 17 sine of 30 degrees. You get now what to use? This is 8.5. So this is still greater than 2 solution. Okay, it's not always the case that the letters are A, B, C. It could be other letters. So you have to make sure that you're going to compare the side, the length, opposite the given angle with the altitude, and the altitude is the other side times the sine of the given angle. Is this clear? When are you going to use the altitude? When are you going to solve the altitude? When the length of the side opposite the given angle is less than the other side. Ay, my gulay. Excuse me. There's something wrong here with let number 8. Trying erase a class. Did not help me. Mali. Si teacher. Na-confused na ako. Compare mo na sorry. For the question. Compare mo na the sides. Sorry. M compared to N. 28 versus 17. Less than or greater than?
Greater than.
Greater than.
I changed my data. I discussed the other section. I changed the data in your section. Okay. Greater than. Do we need to solve for H? Pag greater than? No need. Okay. So how many solutions are there? If our
One.
side opposite the given angle is greater than the other side, okay, one solution. I forgot changed man the data here because in section C, magud puro two solutions. So I have to make it one solution. Okay, clear? So only solve for H if the side opposite the given angle is lesser than the other side. Okay, this one. X is 65 degrees, Y is 140, and X is 150. What are you going to compare first? What will be on the left side? X or Y? X compared to Y or Y compared to X? What do you think, Sophia?
X compared to Y, Chair.
Okay, X compared to Y. Okay, what is our symbol here? Lesser than or greater than? X is
Greater than.
greater than. Okay, are we going to solve for H? No need. So therefore, how many solutions? One solution. Next, number 10. Acute or obtuse? 95 degrees is an obtuse angle, right? So are we going to solve for H? No need. Okay, compare now the side opposite angle M with the other side. So M compared to N or N compared to M? It is M compared to N. Greater than or lesser than?
Greater.
It's greater than. So the answer is
One solution.
one solution. But if I'm going to make this, this is our 10, this is 18. Okay, obtuse angle, compare M with N, 10 and 18, less than or greater than? It is,
Less than.
10 is less than N. So how many solutions?
No solution.
Zero.
Okay, no solution. Okay, questions is how you determine if there is a solution or not, or given set of data. No solution. Questions? I will not give example anymore on how to solve the triangle half because we already have examples on that. Okay, you still have 3 minutes to ask questions before our quiz. Now questions, are you ready? Are you ready for the quiz? Who are absent, Pauline? Ah, I'll decipher. 21 minus. Okay. If there are no more questions, you must start the quiz now. Camera on. By the way, class, you are not going to show any solutions. Just type your answers. You hear me? You hear me, 9H? No solutions. Type your answer, but please do not forget to write or type also or give the appropriate unit. For the angle in degrees, please write the word degrees. Do not use mathematical symbols in your answer. Okay, write the normal text. Okay, thank you.
the fuck is